Well, 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 look what the cat dragged in. Or should I say, look who's back in the shop. That's right, folks. Chuck Shive here, and I'm back fully recharged, retooled, and ready to go with a ton of fresh ideas to keep you on the cutting edge. And boy, do I have some great ideas. We're gonna be diving into some really cool stuff in the coming weeks and months, new techniques, common pitfalls to avoid, and of course, plenty of tips and tricks to get the most out of your Retooled tooling. Here we'll give you a first look at some of these innovative new tools. We'll talk about what makes them unique, the types of applications they're best suited for, and how they can help improve your results. I'm really excited about these new product lines, and I think you will be too. Oh, and if you have any questions or if there's a specific product you'd like us to feature, just let us know in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create content you want to see. So if you've missed me, and I hope you have, make sure you hit that subscribe button below, ring that notification bell, and get ready for a whole new season of Retooled Chips and Tips. Be safe, stay healthy. I'm Chuck Shive. Thanks for tuning in.